This is a little bit of a different video for me, kind of a palate cleanser. I've got some exciting projects coming up, so be sure to get subscribed and don't miss out on those. When I mentioned earlier that this was a little bit of a different video for me, it's because I'm not going to do step-by-step instructions on this one like I do in a lot of my videos. The reason? A lot of it was CNC work, and I didn't feel like that needed to be a step-by-step explanation. So sit back, enjoy the video. I'll have links below to some of the materials and tools that I used as usual, and watch until the end and I'll tell you where you can pick up some of these wood jack-o'-lanterns for your porch.
If you want to pick up some of these for your porch, I've got them listed in my Etsy store. So go check out that link. I have the option where you can flat pack them. They make a great little craft for you to do with your kids. You could paint them. I ship you all the pieces separate, and you could either nail them together like I did. You could use hot glue. Go check out that link and pick up some for your house. If you don't know already, I do a podcast called We Built a Thing with a couple of my buddies, Drew Fisher from Fisher Shop and Mark Crisp from Gunflint Designs. Go check that out wherever you listen to podcasts, and thanks so much for watching. See you soon.